Good morning, students. I hope everyone is fine. Before going into the class, let us see a video.
Good morning, students. Good morning, ma'am. I'm going to tell few sentences. I became a teacher. I am a teacher. Next sentence is I will become a teacher. Students identify what is similar and different in these sentences. Similar thing is occupation, ma'am. Difference is timing, ma'am. Yes, correct, very good. But in English grammar, we use the term tense to indicate time. Let us see what is a tense. The tense of a verb shows the time of an action or event. Tense are mainly classified into three forms: present tense, past tense, and future tense. Today we are going to see about perfect tense. Okay, ma'am.
We are going to learn about perfect tense. Now let us see what is a perfect tense. Perfect tense is a verb form that indicates a complete action. Once again, perfect tense is a verb form that indicates a complete action. These tense are also called simple perfect tense. Perfect tense are classified into three types. They are present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. Once again, present perfect tense, past perfect tense, and future perfect tense. First, we are going to see about present perfect tense. We use the present perfect tense to talk about an action that was completed at an unspecified or indefinite time in the past. Rule for present perfect tense is has or have plus past participle. Action completed in the immediate past, we have to use present perfect tense. Examples are she has completed the homework, we have planned the meeting for next week, I have eaten my lunch. Duration from the past until now, we have to use present perfect tense. Examples are she has been a teacher since 2002. Mohan has worked in this college for 10 years. Change over time, we have to use present perfect tense. Examples are your English has improved since the last time we met. The government has become more interested in arts. Event in the past at an unspecified time, we have to use present perfect tense. Examples are she has been to Paris. I have seen that movie. Repeated events in the past until now, we have to use present perfect tense. Examples are we have had 4 exams so far in this semester. I have been to this restaurant many times since I moved next door. Next one is past perfect tense. We use the past perfect tense to talk about an action that took place in the past before a specific point of time or another past action. Rule for past perfect tense is add plus past participle. A completed action fall different past action. We have to use past perfect tense. Examples are when we arrived, the class had already begun. When I reached the railway station, the train had left. A period of time before an event in the past, we have to use past perfect tense. Example, we had owned our house for 20 years before we sold it. In the third conditional of if, we have to use past perfect tense. Example, if it had rained, I would have bought an umbrella. The next one is future perfect tense. We use the future perfect tense to talk about an action that will occur in the future before a certain point of time or another action in the future. Rule for future perfect tense is shall or will plus have plus past participle. A completed action before something in the future, we have to use future perfect tense. Example, by next summer, she will have graduated from college. By the time you arrive, I will have finished the project. Negative statements, we have to use future perfect tense. By 2020, I won't have completed my PhD. They won't have arrived. Now let us recap the perfect tense. Perfect tense is a verb form that indicates a complete action. These tenses are also called simple perfect tense. Rule for present perfect tense is has or have plus past participle. Past perfect tense rule is add plus past participle. The rule for future perfect tense is shall or will plus have plus past participle. Now let us have an activity. Fill in the blanks with present perfect tense. First question, I dashed that movie 20 times. Clue is C. Now let us see the answer. I have seen that movie 20 times. Second question, I dash on this path before. Clue is walk. Let us see the answer. I have walked on this path before. The next person is he dashes homework. Clue is finish. Let us see the answer. He has finished his homework. The next question is I dash here since 2000. Clue is work. Let us see the answer. I have worked here since 2000. Yes, correct. Fill in the blanks with past perfect tense. First question, I dashed guitar. Clue is practice. Let us see the answer. I had practiced guitar. The next question is, you dash English before you move to New York. Clue is study. Let us see the answer. You had studied English before you moved to New York. The next question is, she dashed the book. Clue is read. Let us see the answer. She had read the book. Question is, when I arrive at the cinema hall, the movie dash. Clue is start. Now let us see the answer. When I arrive at the cinema hall, the movie had started. Fill in the blanks with future perfect tense. First question is, I dash him to the party. Clue is invite. Let us see the answer. I shall have invited him to the party. The next question is, Ria dash everything. Clue is forgot. Let us see the answer. Ria will have forgotten everything. The next question is, he dash at the office by 8. Clue is arrive. Let us see the answer. He will have arrived at the office by 8. Next question is, she dash work by 7. Clue is not finish. Let us see the answer. She won't have finished work by 7. Follow-up work will be to write 10 sentences using present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. I hope students you have understood present perfect tense, past perfect tense and future perfect tense. Thank you students.